These AI fruit stories are going viral right now, and when I first saw them, I thought it was just another trend. But when I looked closer, I saw that these videos are pulling in millions of views. And the crazy part is they're super simple to create. These are basically short animated stories, but instead of humans, they are fruits, bananas, apples, strawberries, all acting like real people. Now, topics like relationships, drama, or betrayal are currently trending. These videos work because they are unexpected. Fruits acting like humans, they are emotional and they are easy to watch. You do not need context. You just press play and you are hooked. Now, if you want to start creating these type of videos and begin uploading them on your preferred social media platform, here is exactly how we're going to do it in less than 10 minutes, step by step. The first thing that you want to do is come over to Clipwise AI. I will leave the link in the description below so that you can easily have access to it. All you have to do is click on sign up for you to create your account. That's if you do not have an account created yet. Now, once you sign up, it will bring you to this clean interface because we want to start creating these cute fruit animated story videos. What you want to do is scroll down a little bit and you will find these video agents. Now, these video agents inside Clickwise, they basically automate the whole process for you. You do not need to design the characters, you do not need to animate the scenes or figure out storytelling from scratch. You just give it an idea and it builds the characters, animate the scenes, and the entire story for you. Now, because we want to be creating these cute fruit animated story videos, we will select the fruit story and we will see it uploaded here. Now, in this prompt box, this is where we paste in an idea of a story that we have. You can start with something basic or something very, very simple, like a banana gets cheated on by an apple. When starting, you do not need anything complicated. You can also get some ideas and some inspiration from these pre-made prompt ideas. Now, for this tutorial, I had already created a story that was running on my mind. All I do is paste it. It's about two characters. The first character is an apple and the second character is a banana, and the title was I Was Never Enough. Now, here are some few settings that you need to take note of before you hit generate. The first one is the language. When we come to the language section here, you can choose a language you would love to create your story in. I'll leave it to English. Then on auto here, we can select a duration for a video we are creating. As we can see, the highest duration is 90 seconds. I will go for 60 seconds for this example. Then here we can select the aspect ratio. In the vertical, that's if we want to go with the TikTok style or shorts on YouTube, but I'll select a horizontal. Then on the style here, this is where we either choose explainer, storytelling, conversational, and listicles, but I'll go for conversational. And here on the additional settings, we can choose the tone or leave it to formal. Then we can choose the audience. I will leave it to general and hit generate. Now, Clipwise will start generating the storyline, the scenes, the characters, and turn the whole idea into a full video. At the time of recording this tutorial and using this tool, they do not have a feature that allows the characters to engage in a dialogue, except to only have narrations over the entire story. Now, when we scroll up a little bit, we'll see the scenes that have been generated and the narration for the entire story that we have. Now, you can also edit the narration. That's if there is an area you feel like there's some information missing or some words that have been misspelled. Down here, we need to select the visual theme. Just click on this edit icon here for you to select a specific visual theme that you want for a story. I'll just close it and I'll leave it to corporate 3D. And when we scroll down here, we can edit our characters. As we can see, these are the characters that have been generated for the video we are creating. So just click on this edit icon here for you to either regenerate this character, that's if you do not like the one which has been generated, or you can simply come to upload and upload a specific character that you have for this story. Once uploaded and selected, click on use this character for a character to be selected. You can do the same thing for the second character that you have. Again, just click on use, character. Once everything is set, what we simply need to choose is a voiceover for our story. Click on select voiceover and it will give you a number of options where you can choose your voiceover from. Take your time and go through these different voices. I will select Bella. From there, I hit generate scenes for my scenes to be generated. And just like that, all our scenes will be created for our story. Now, when we come to our left here, we'll see different settings that we can play with to create our cinematic video, from the narration settings to the subtitles, the music, the transitions, and other elements. You can also add your own logo or using your own asset. Not only that, but on each scene or each image clip, we'll be able to see the edit button, meaning we can easily edit our image. That's if there is a part or a scene that we do not like. But I really love how everything has been generated for me. Now, when we play the video, we'll see that these are static images, which needs to be animated for us to get that cinematic vibe for our story. To achieve that, all I have to do is come to convert all images to video here on top, and all my images will be converted into videos.
Banana, scrolling his phone, avoids her gaze. Coldly, he replies, "Why do you always make things so dramatic?" Apple's voice cracks as she confesses, "I gave you everything, my time, my energy. I even lost myself trying to keep you happy." Banana sighs, annoyed. "Maybe that's the problem. I never asked you to do all that." Silence falls. The background fruits exchange shocked looks. Tears roll down Apple's face. Hurt and breaking, she asks, "So all this time, I was fighting for someone who didn't even care?" Banana shrugs slightly. "You just weren't enough for me."
Once the images are animated into videos, again, we can go through them scene by scene and change the subtitle for our story. That's if we do not like the one it's selected for us by default. Once we are done, we hit export for our video to be exported. And once the video is exported, you can simply click on the download button to save it to your PC and upload it on your preferred social media platform. That's how easy you can create these animated fruit story videos and start uploading them on your social media platform and go viral. Now, Clipwise has 3 plans. The higher the plan, the more videos you can make and the better the quality. $25 per month, small plan for beginners, few videos, $39 per month, medium plan, more videos plus better quality, $63 per month, to big plan, loads of videos, best for heavy use. The link is in the description below. If you have any question or concern or suggestion, let me know in the comment section below. From here, check out this next tutorial that walks you through step by step on how you can create a cinematic AI animated story videos completely for free.